Welcome to 26 to 28 Stephen Street, Clifton Beach. Privacy and space, nestled in tranquil Clifton Beach, surrounded by mountains and rainforests. This expansive landscaped family retreat has been built to exceed every expectation of style and comfort.
The floor plan seamlessly integrates indoor-outdoor living, incorporating generous living and entertaining spaces, clean lines, quality finishes, and a soft palette for a relaxing and easygoing atmosphere.
With 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms plus study, this property offers great flexibility with so much potential. This expansive acreage property is an absolute standout in the heart of highly sought after Clifton Beach. I'm Renee Straguzzi.
And I'm Michelle Ryman, and we're from Cairns Property Office.
We look forward to seeing you here soon.